Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Lona and today I'm super excited to share with you my hair growth journey and the tips and tricks that helped me to grow my hair long and healthier. So guys, if you're experiencing hair fall or if you are just looking to boost your hair growth, I'll just walk you through everything that I experienced and it worked for me. So guys, for my new viewers, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell guys. So let's get started. You also need to understand hair growth, and it is essential to know hair growth cycle. It contains three phases: catagen, telogen, and anagen. So let me start by sharing a bit about my hair growth journey. And before I started taking care of my hair 3 years ago, I realized that my hair wasn't as healthy as I wanted it to be. It was falling out more than usual, and I was really concerned. I tried different products, but nothing seemed to work. My hair was thinning, and I felt frustrated. I started researching about hair, and I learned that hair fall can be caused by various factors such as stress, poor diet, hormonal changes, and improper hair practices. And so I changed my lifestyle. I also managed my stress level, did some exercises, stayed consistent with my new routine even when I wasn't seeing immediate results. So guys, I use coconut oil, which is a carrier oil, and rosemary oil, which is an essential oil. Hot oil treatments deeply moisturizes and conditions hair and reduces breakage. So gently warm the oil by placing the container with the oil in a large pot of hot water, and make sure to warm the oil to avoid burning your scalp. So I'm going to spray warm water on my scalp, and warm water can help open the hair cuticles more than cold water. Warm water can help improve absorption, hydration, and reduce breakage. So my oil is now ready for use. And first I'm going to section my hair, but since I have braids, it will be so easier. And I'm going to apply the oil on my scalp, starting from the front and work my way back, focusing on the areas where you're experiencing dryness, irritation, and where your hair is thin. So once the scalp is covered, distribute the remaining oil down the length of your hair, focusing on the ends, which tend to be drier and more prone to damage. So I'm going to explain to you what my hair benefits from hot oil treatment, and it helps in strengthening hair shafts, reducing breakage and split ends. It also helps in deep moisturization, which prevents dryness and frizz. It also helps in repairing damage, and also it adds shine and softness to my hair. So guys, I urge you to try this hot oil treatment. It's good and I love it. So I'm going to spend a few minutes massaging my scalp with my fingertips, and this really helps to improve the blood circulation. So guys, don't forget, this is really important. And cover your hair with a shower cap or a plastic bag. This helps retain heat and allows the oil to penetrate better. For deeper conditioning, you can wrap a warm towel around the shower cap. Let it sit for a few hours for more intensive treatment. Covering is my favorite part. So after rinsing your hair with lukewarm water, apply shampoo to your scalp, focusing on the roots where most of the oil is likely to be. Massage the shampoo into your scalp using your fingertips. This actually helps in breaking down the oil and cleansing your scalp. So guys, I make sure to shampoo my hair twice to remove all the buildups and ensure a clean scalp and hair, and therefore clean scalp promotes hair growth. So work the shampoo down the ends of your hair, lathering well. After lathering, rinse your hair thoroughly with warm water. Make sure to rinse from the scalp to the ends, ensuring that all the shampoo is removed. Any leftover shampoo can cause buildup and irritation. There are so many benefits of proper rinsing. First, it prevents product buildup, it enhances hair rinse, prevents dryness and dullness. So guys, make sure to rinse your hair properly to prevent any of this from happening. Egg hair masks are rich in protein, which strengthens hair, adds shine, and promotes healthy hair growth. So I'm just going to combine all the 4 ingredients together, and this can provide a powerful treatment that can address various hair and scalp issues. So the benefits of combining the 4 ingredients together helps in nourishing, moisturization, cleansing, and hydration. To apply this combined hair mask of egg, lemon juice, coconut oil, and honey, you just have to start by sectioning your hair. But for my case, it's easier because I already have braids and there is no need for me to section my hair. So start by applying the egg hair mask on the roots, working your way to the ends. And make sure that the whole scalp is covered. So guys, I just have to say that this egg hair mask has actually helped me to reduce hair fall. It has helped me to promote a healthy scalp and also helped me to improve hair texture. My hair now is smoother and shinier. So once you're done with the application, gather your hair in a bun in order to prevent any mess and also dripping of the egg hair mask. So I'm just going to cover my hair using this plastic bag, and the reason as to why I cover my hair during the application of this hair mask help to optimize its benefits by creating a controlled environment that promotes deeper penetration and effective nourishment for your hair. Leave the hair mask on your hair for 1 hour. So apply a generous amount of shampoo on your scalp and use your fingertips. Rinse your hair thoroughly to remove any product buildup and prevent dryness and dullness on your hair. So guys, this is my hair oil and I prepare it myself, and it helps in stimulating hair growth and reduces hair loss. So guys, this is how I prepare my oil. I combine rosemary and moringa, and if you really wish to prepare this oil yourself, you can just watch the video on how I prepare my rosemary oil. It is good guys, you should try it. So guys, I've been using this oil for a while now and I think I love it. You should try it out guys. It's such a good oil. So guys, this is my oil and I'm just going to apply it directly on my scalp. So as you can see, I'm just working my way from the front to the back. And in some areas, I've been experiencing thinness and baldness. This is where I'm going to focus on, and use circular motions to massage the oil into your scalp. For the remaining oil, apply it down the lengths of your hair and focus on the ends, which tend to be dry. So guys, this part is really important, and in each hair routine that I use, I make sure to massage my scalp for 5 to 10 minutes to improve the blood circulation on the scalp. So guys, without forgetting, I just want to remind you that consistency is the key, and I want you to be patient because the results may take some time. If you have tried any of these routines, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more hair care tips.